427, just got done running it. Your description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. It's EFI, multi-point, go-ahead manifold, obviously Holley fuel management, Terminator X, custom ground hydraulic roller, custom pistons, got the front Sump oil pan on it. Beautiful Billet Specialties front end. The alternator works for you. Take you in there and show you how to run. Alrighty, down 3,500, 401 foot-pound torque. Let's say peak torque 416, peak horsepower 433. Rated at 425. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. That's the EFI system, open plenum. So we'll get her off here, get in her crate, and come your way. Have a great day.